Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a new word, vocabulary. A look on your face that shows you're angry or in a bad mood. What is a new word you can use to express this? To look at someone or something with a very annoyed expression. The word to define this is scowl. Scowl. Scowl means look angrily at or frowning. Frowning your face and look angrily at. Look at this example sentence. She was clearly annoyed, as you could tell from the scowl on her face. Rani scowled at the two men when they entered the house. Scowl means to look at someone or something in a way that shows anger or disapproval. When you scowl, you make an angry face. The angry face you make is scowl. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.